Hi, my name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. We're out here tonight in Middletown, Connecticut, because the customer said they had a major root infestation in their 6-inch clay tile line. We're going to go ahead and high pressure water jet it, have a video camera inspect it. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back, and we have a customer, Charlie, here from Middletown, and he's extremely impressed with how the roots go. So what do you think about the job that we did today, Charlie?
When you guys first got here, my pipes were full of roots, and now it's crystal clear, and the water's flowing good. I appreciate it.
All right, thank you very much, Charlie, for an interview. That's Paul from All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can look us up at allthingsdrain.com.